Hello everyone, welcome to the Engineering Projects YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, we will integrate the develop part of our web page, which we have learned and developed in our previous video tutorials, such as the header and the content area, which is named as container in tutorial, and here is the footer. You can view like this is the header, this is the container or content part, and it is the footer which we have developed in the previous video tutorial. Now we will create a new file in which we will integrate all the components get together to form a web page in one view. So click and create index.html. Okay, and now simply I will copy the header part first. Okay, and now view the index as this. So here is the index part. Okay, the header comes here. Now I will copy the part of container by copy it and paste after the nav like this, and now refresh it so it should look like this. And as we can view, we have two rows, 1 and 2, and here we have just one row. I will replicate the code again of the row as copy it and paste it. Now we have two rows over here. After that we have a footer here, so go to the footer, copy this div and paste it right after this div. Now refresh this and we have this kind of visualization. Now we need to improve this by adding margin over here. In the above we have to add margin, so in this div I will add style margin, top margin top as 20 pixel. Now refresh it. Okay, so it should look like this, and add one more layer after adding the horizontal line HR to differentiate that these are two different. Here is the horizontal line. Now add one more layer below this so it will look like professional. Simply collapse this and now refresh, so we have the whole web page like this. Even that you can add images over here, just like you can found images which are of rectangular, okay, which are square images. Image HTML. Here you will find a lot of images which you can use, such as we are going to use here in the settings tools. We have size. I will say I need the size as this size. Okay, so it's give me according to, okay, not larger than but exactly. Width should be 400 and height should be 300 pixel, so we get the optimized images such as this. And save image as in the project folder. Go to the desktop, here is the project folder, and here is the file.jpg. Save it. Now use that over here. Right after this we will use image tag. Source will be files.jpg. and let's see here in the this code. So it's look like this. Okay, so what we need to do, uh, we need to compromise this with this module. We can add the property which is overflow auto, which will auto optimize the images, such as hairstyle and overflow auto. Now simply apply this on all, and here now add image in all like this, this and this. Now you can refresh and view that how it's look alike. Okay, so it will automatically adjust the image according to requirement, and even that you can apply a style over it, like how much width and height you are needed. You can apply here, like you can say you need width as 300 or pixel, for example 300 pixel you need, and refresh it, so it will be 300 as width. And now we need, for example, 250. Refresh, so it's look pretty much better. So we can apply this on all images like this, and now refresh, so it's look pretty much good. Now you can apply this on all, and it will give you the rich view for the front end page. Now what we need to do, we need to integrate this HTML and Bootstrap code in our MVC projects. Okay, so in the next video tutorial I will create the MVC project, integrate the whole code in that, and make that MVC. So in next video tutorials we can create the content management system of our own code to make it reliable and dynamic website. I hope this video tutorial is informative for you. If you have any kind of question regarding this, you can ask us, and don't forget to subscribe the engineering projects YouTube channel. Take care, bye bye, have fun.